Hello there. In this video we're going to be looking at footprints. But what is a footprint? When you go walking in sand, what happens to the sand when you push your foot down? It leaves a footprint. This girl is walking in the mud. What do you think is going to happen to the mud when she pushes down with her foot? It leaves a footprint. Can you see? This is the footprint of the girl who was walking in the mud. So, you should have this animal worksheet at home, and this worksheet with their footprints to cut and stick to the correct animal. But before you do those, let's investigate footprints on a farm. We're going to play a game. You look at the animal and try to guess the footprint. Let's go. Horse. Which is the horse's footprint? This one or this one? Look at his foot. What do you think? This is the horse's footprint. Which is the sheep's footprint? This one or this one? What do you think? This is the sheep's footprint. Which is the duck's footprint? Is it this one or this one? Look at the duck's feet. Which one do you think is the footprint? This is the duck's footprint. Which is the goat's footprint? Is it this one or this one? This is the correct footprint. Look at the chicken's feet. Is this correct or this correct? Which footprint? These are the chicken's footprints. Which is the correct footprint? This one or this one? Look at the pig. Look at its feet. This is the correct footprint. Goose. Is this a goose footprint or this one? What do you think? Look at the goose's feet. This is the correct footprint. Which is the correct footprint? These or this? What do you think? This is a cow's footprint. Great job, everyone.